Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a screen lock on your Android phones. So whether you prefer using a pin, a pattern, password, or fingerprint, here I'm going to show you how you can set it up. So first you can just go to the settings on your phone. Scroll down until you find the security or password options. This one on my phone, it's called password and security. Click on that. So each device has a different features of screen lock. It depends on your type of Android and brand. So on my device in here, I have four options. The first one is swipe, pattern, pin, and complex password. So let's try the first one, swipe. So for swipe, you don't need to set any security. It's just you can just swipe on your lock screen and it will be open. And there's also pattern. So for patterns here, you need to create or set a pattern for security. You can just adjust or modify the patterns. After that, you can click on next. Usually you need to repeat it one more time, and after that your screen lock pattern will be set. And the next one is the pin. So in pin, you need to set at least 4 digits, and for added security 6 digits are recommended. So you can just here choose the pin number for your screen lock, click on next, and after that your pin screen lock will be set. And for the last one in here, I have complex password options, this one. So again, this one is also in 4 digits, but I can combine within numeric and alphabetical, so you can just use between choose between that. So just choose the most convenient for you, whether it's swipe, pattern, pin, complex, or maybe even a face unlock. So secure your digital life now. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, and I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye.